Okay, we are talking about enthusiasm today. Yesterday somebody called and said, what we are talking Sunday? I said, enthusiasm. Oh, he said. What it does, he said. Does enthusiasm has any benefit for our body, emotions, and mind, or in our daily relationship? I said that if you come, I said, you will hear everything. So today he didn't come, she didn't come. I hope she's not here. I wish she came. See, enthusiasm is not nervousness. Some people think that if you want to be enthusiastic, you must be nervous, excited. Or you are going to show off to things and show to the people that you are doing things, physically, emotionally, mentally. It's not that. Enthusiasm is a steady flow of creative energy. And this flow comes from the uttermost core of your being. I was studying this since 25 years. It's so amazing that eventually it's going to be a book. It's a very interesting thing. Enthusiasm is you. People think that you can be enthusiastic, or you can learn to be enthusiastic, or they can teach it to you. It's impossible to teach. It is you, whatever level you are. That's the level that you have enthusiasm within you. When, for example, you do something, if you are in your own actions, you have enthusiasm. But people don't notice that. We do 99% things that we are not in it. Did you notice that? You do like this, and you don't know what you are doing. You are not in your actions, in your labor, in your activities. So when you are not there, your actions, your activities, your relationship don't have spirit in it, don't have magnetism, energy in it. Master Moria says that enthusiasm is Raj Agni. Raj Agni means king fire within you. And what is the king fire? King fire is you, your spirit, your core, your spark, the dynamism that is within you. Now, when you are in your actions, you demonstrate enthusiasm. If you are not in your actions, there is no enthusiasm. And your actions are shells, empty shells. They don't create results. That's why sometimes when people come and work for us, when I see that there is no enthusiasm in them, when they are not in their actions, I said, you go and rest. Because you are not in actions that you are doing. Second, your emotions. If you are not in your emotions, in your words, in your expressions, they have no influence. They are empty shells. They are just imitations, appearances. When, for example, you say, I love you, you are not there. But if you are in your words, in your emotions, your words and emotions have different energy, different electricity. And you feel it. And others feel it.